Your time is limited, don't waste it living someone else's life. Hardships often prepare ordinary people for an extraordinary destiny. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. Be the change that you wish to see in the world. Strive not to be a success, but rather to be of value. The greatest pleasure in life is doing what people say you cannot do. Success isn't just about what you accomplish in your life, it's about what you inspire others to do. Every day may not be good, but there is something good in every day. What you get by achieving your goals is not as important as what you become by achieving your goals. Act as if what you do makes a difference. It does. Be a voice, not an echo, and life is too important to be taken seriously. Start each day with a positive thought and a grateful heart. It always seems impossible until it's done. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. What lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters compared to what lies within us. You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. Success is not final, failure is not fatal, it is the courage to continue that counts. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow is our doubts of today. Your life does not get better by chance, it gets better by change. Believe you can and you're halfway there. Don't watch the clock do what it does. Keep going. Success is not how high you have climbed, but how you make a positive difference to the world. Don't count the days, make the days count. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Every moment is a fresh beginning, and you don't have to be perfect to be amazing. Success usually comes to those who are too busy to be looking for it. Life isn't about finding yourself. It's about creating yourself. Turn your wounds into wisdom, and don't wait for opportunity. Create it. You are stronger than you think, braver than you believe, and smarter than you know. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. In the middle of every difficulty lies opportunity. Chase your dreams, but always know the road that will lead you home again. If you're going through hell, keep going. Success is getting what you want. Happiness is wanting what you get. Your passion is waiting for your courage to catch up. You can't use up creativity. The more you use, the more you have. Don't be pushed around by the fears in your mind. Be led by the dreams in your heart. Sometimes you will never know the value of a moment until it becomes a memory. Don't be afraid to give up the good to go for the great. The comeback is always stronger than the setback. Believe in the magic of beginnings. You don't need to see the whole staircase. Just take the first step. Your vibe attracts Your tribe, and you didn't come this far to only come this far. What defines us is how well we rise after falling, and don't limit your challenges. Challenge your limits. Create the life you can't wait to wake up to. Stay close to anything that makes you glad you are alive. Small steps in the right direction can turn out to be the biggest step of your life. Your greatest self has been waiting your whole life. Don't make it wait any longer.